Welcome back to another vlog. Today I really don't have any purpose or much planned for you guys, so let's show you guys some of my dogs real quick. Hello. Hey, say hi. So me and my wife, we decided to get Chick-fil-A for breakfast again, and this time I was able to get her to drive, and I recorded on my iPhone the first time she's ever dropped the gear and disappeared. You know, driving an automatic now, she didn't know how to use the paddle shifters and was always afraid to do it, so somehow I convinced her to. I'll show you guys the video here. You can kind of see she was kind of getting upset at me or annoyed, but in the end, she did enjoy it a lot.
I could break my own self-esteem.
Okay, you got this. If you don't feel like doing it, then
what am I doing?
All right, watch. Just drive. Just cruise low. Cruise low. Wait. All right, now downshift that one left paddle.
This?
Yeah, that thing. Yeah.
This?
Yeah. One. Now gas it.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck, right?
And then what?
See, and then now you just cruise, and then it'll go back to normal. Just regular gas, and hold it, and then it'll go back to normal, babe. Don't worry. It'll go back to normal. See? There.
Oh,
So we're actually gonna go grab some crawfish about 30 minutes away. I convinced her somehow that I'm gonna set up a GoPro, let her drive there. Hopefully there's not too much traffic. It is throughout the day, so we might see some traffic. We might not be able to get a lot of pulls, but yeah, I can work on my GoPro setup for the for POV drivings and let me know what you guys think. So 7,000 is like max.
And so once you hit 7,000,
drop that. I can't wait till we tune it, and then you do the same exact thing. You're gonna realize like how much fun this shit actually is. Just give it a little ripper. You don't even have to downshift. You won't, because you're only going to go to like 45. It'll be fine. Shifts are really super good.
dude, I went up to 50. I'm about to get pulled over.
You're fine, babe. You're fine. Just go a little diagonal. Slow. Oh, shit! It's all good. Oh shit, that was fucking crazy. Oh shit, that one's a humongous one.
Wait, but it didn't scratch the lip.
No, we
though.
good. It wasn't the lip. It
So
was the
what
wheel
did
to
it
the fender,
scratch?
probably. Yeah, just park it this far one. It's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Or no, you can find something else. At least we know there's an exit without a bump. All right, y'all. That big thump that she did, this was the speed bump. Was it her driving or was it the speed bump? Oh, we made it. Oh, garlic butter noodles. Got the French breads dipped in the sauce. 1 pound shrimp, mussel, clam, crawfish, snow crabs. Anything else? That's it. They have it. Ooh. Shit, all right, let us dig in this shit real quick. I'm about to devour. All right, babe, you gonna drive anymore? Huh? She's afraid to drive it now. So before we end off today's video, I guess there wasn't a lot of exciting stuff that happened unless you guys enjoyed the driving, but just wanted to tell you guys what's gonna be coming ahead. Right here, we got our downpipe set up, and I have my exhaust in. I got it confirmed, I'm picking it up. Along with the exhaust, we have the painted wing. I can't wait to show you guys what we did with that, but there is so much going on for the Supra right now. Just a lot of footage to record and edit that I want to make sure I push out the best quality possible, but I also want to stay true to my promise that I will push out one video a week every Friday, and that's the reason for this video here today. I hope you guys enjoyed what you guys saw so far. Please comment, like, subscribe. I promise you there's so much content that's going to be happening. This build is about to get really insane. So excited, guys. Thank you again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Here. Macho. Say bye. Tell them all to subscribe. Do it.